Hello and welcome to SciNeuro Portal. Today I am going to show you how to submit a neuron simulation job to NSG with a Jupyter notebook. Starting from the SciNeuro Portal, you will click on Projects, Workflows, and this will take you to the Workflows page. This page lists all the workflows that we support. You'll have to scroll down to the NSG R Jupyter notebook section and click on this link to access the notebook. This will take you to the Hub login page. Here you can use your PowerPrint and password to log in. If your PowerPrint does not work, you will have to email Dr. Satish Nair requesting for access, and he will set you up an account on this Hub server. Once you get the credentials, the access, you can click on sign in and this will take you to your home page. Here we have a welcome notebook to help those who are not very familiar with the usage of a Jupyter notebook. You can work through this notebook and get some familiarity with the usage of this notebook. And once you're done with this, you can close this notebook by clicking on File and close Alt. After you're done with it, you can now use the NSG R Jupyter notebook, which resides in Jupyter Software Tutorials folder and NSG R folder. You can click on NSG Demo Notebook to open the notebook. Before you can use this notebook, you will need two things. You will have to register an account at NSG portal, and also you will need an application key. So to register for the account, you can click on this link and that will take you to the NSG portal homepage. Here there is an option to register for an account. You will click on this button that will display a form for you to fill in the details to get the account. Once you're done with it, you can now log in at this link with your credentials. I'm using mine to log in. Once you log in, you will click on Developer Application Management to create an application. As you can see, I have already created two apps and they are listed here. And to create a new one, I'll have to click on this button, Create New Application. This will display another form which I will fill and click on Create to create a new app. Since I already created an app, I'm going to click Cancel. I'm using this app named My Second App to submit the job right now. So I will need this application ID. I'll copy it from here and use this while running the notebook. Now you're ready to run the first code cell. On running this code cell, it will ask you for your username. I'm entering mine, and password. And then it asks for application key, which I've just copied now. Once you enter these parameters, you're ready to click the next cell, which will display a dialog box for you to select the input folder. It will display a button, and on clicking that button, a pop-up dialog box will show up through which you can select your input folder. So for the job I'm going to display, this is the input folder. I'll select it and then I'll click on Open. After you select the input, this button turns green. Now you're ready to run the next cell, which actually submits the job to NSG. You'll select the cell by clicking on it and then you click Run. This will output an XML file which represents the job status. As you can see that our job is currently added to the NSG Run queue, and we are currently waiting for the job to complete. This job usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. So to make the video short, I have already run this job previously, and I will switch over to the other notebook where I have already run this job. So once the job is complete, run the next code cell to download the output files. I have already run this code cell and this displayed a message saying that download is complete. Now you can find the result files in a zipped folder named output in your current working directory. The notebook also comes with a few utility functions in the next few code cells. You can use this code cell to list all the jobs that you ran previously. Here is the list of jobs that I submitted already. And if you'd like to know more about a specific job, you can grab the job URL from here, paste it in this next code cell, and you can run this. This would output another XML file giving you more information about the specific job you entered here. And also to delete a job, you'd copy the URL, paste it here, and you can click this cell to delete the job. This completes the demo of job submission to NSG with a Jupyter notebook. We would like to acknowledge that this notebook is adapted from the IPython notebook present in the NSG portal here. You can click here to find out more about this notebook. Thank you.